Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Peppa Pig, Grandpa Pig's Boat. Bop, bop. Grandpa Pig is taking Peppa and George out for a day on the river. I'm the captain of this boat, says Grandpa Pig. Granny Pig, Peppa, and George all salute Grandpa Pig. Ahoy, Captain, they cried. When I tell you all to do something, you must do it, says Grandpa Pig. Unless it is something silly. Granny Pig tells Pepper and George. Grandpa Pig frowns. The captain never say anything silly. Of course not, Captain, says Granny Pig, saluting. Everyone does what Grandpa Pig says. He asks George to raise the flag and Granny Pig to take the wheel. Then Grandpa Pig tells Pepper to ring the bell. Ring, ring, ding, ding. Off they go. The boat speeds through the water. Granny Pig thinks they should go a bit slower. Good idea, Granny Pig, says Grandpa Pig. I don't want to use up all my petrol. Peppa spots another boat. It's Grandad Dog. He's taking Danny Dog out for a day on the river. Grandad Dog is Grandpa Pig's very best friend. Ho ho! I'm surprised your boat is still afloat, Grandad Dog. It must be almost as old as you are, says Grandpa Pig. Woof! This old boat can go faster than your rusty bucket any day, replies Grandad Dog. Grandpa Pig is not happy. He calls Grandad Dog a sea dog. Grandad Dog calls Grandpa Pig a water hog. Come on, guys, play nicely. You are both acting like little children, cries Granny Pig. Pepper and George think this is funny. Grandpa Pig won't say sorry. Grandad Dog won't say sorry. Grandad Dog zooms off. Catch me if you can, water hog, says Grandad Dog. Grandpa Pig is not happy. See, dog, shouts Grandpa Pig. Chug, chug. Oh. Grandpa Pig overtakes Grandad Dog and leaves him far behind. Can't catch up, says Grandpa Pig. I win. Oh no, my boat has run out of petrol, cries Grandpa Pig. Maybe I did go a bit too fast. Maybe Grandad Dog can tow us home, suggests Granny Pig. I do not want him to, says Grandpa Pig. Will you two ever grow up, sighed Granny Pig? Grandpa, say sorry to Grandad Dog, says Peppa. Grandad, say sorry to Grandpa Pig, says Danny. Finally, they both say sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, much better. Grandad Dog is Grandpa Pig's very best friend. Grandad Dog tows Grandpa Pig's boat home. The main thing is I won the race, Grandpa Pig says to Peppa. Grandpa Pig, cries Granny Pig. Silly Grandpa Pig. The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time. And don't forget to check out the Peppa Pig playlist.